this application you call Live Earth Map, and we'll pretty much be showing you guys if it's really worth it, or that's pretty much the tutorial on how to use it and if it's pretty much what it say it is. So make sure you watch the full video and stay tuned. You can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Nothing hard for you not to understand. So that's pretty much it. So over here, the settings option, we have the as removed file feature, you have the support if you have any problems at all. But the rest of it, that's pretty much it. So you pretty much will need a subscription if you do not want to see any ads on this application. If I tap on the crown icon up top, this is where you go to pretty much see the subscription page. Here, the only difference from the premium to the basic subscription is the VIP support and no ads. Everything else you'll be getting for free. Here you also get a 3 days free trial. You can try the pro version that they have. And as you can see here, you get a weekly subscription for $15. So that's pretty much it for the subscription. So now for the application, here you can see while navigating through the application may encounter ads, guys, so keep that in mind. So for the live view, we'll just show you the live location, nothing much, no map or anything crazy, just your location. Here as well you have the 7 wonders. Here there's some crazy location around the world, nothing much, some pictures of the location, nothing much. And famous places, the same thing, pictures for the location, nothing much. Here you have nearby places. Pretty much you will need to turn on your location to be able to get the nearby places feature to locate pretty much every hospital that is within your country or within your close proximity, and also police station. Everything here you get based on your location, and it's very good. We'll find everything on Google for you very easily, whether it be police station, the nearest university, parks, everything. That's the only good thing I would say about this application. It does work for the private option, though the nearby places option. So yeah, the live traffic does the work. Share location, well, works badly. I mean, can do that on WhatsApp and thing, but not really good. You have a compass here, it's not really that good. You have the speedometer here that they offer an application, not really good either. And down here you have the location tracker. It's not really good either. You have my trust, not good either. So the only good I would say for this application is pretty much the nearby places. And that's really it for this. I'm not sure why it's on the App Store as the 5th best application, but to me it's not that good of an application, I would say. But you still can give it a try if you would like to test it out. Links below, and with all of you guys, make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.